Did you know that it's possible to earn $5,000 per week just by using Google search? This amazing referral website allows you to make money online from the comfort of your own home. You can make money anywhere in the world without needing to invest or have any special skills. All you have to do is follow my steps and make sure you watch the video till the end to understand the process. Step 1. Go to Google and click on the search bar. Type in Google Docs and press Enter. Click on the first link, which will bring you directly to Google Docs. Then click Go to Docs, and you will be directed to this page. Select a New Document option, and you'll get a fresh, empty document. This free service by Google lets you write, format the text, and share the document with anyone, but I will show you how to use it later. Leave the document blank and go to the next step. Step 2. Okay. Let me walk you through the referral website I mentioned earlier. Just head over to Temu and take a look. This website is similar to Amazon, offering a wide range of products in different categories. You can simply visit this site, and when you make your purchase, they have your products delivered right to your doorstep. One of the great things about this website is that its affiliate commission is higher than Amazon's. You can earn a really good amount of money from it. To learn more about their affiliate program, scroll down till the end and click Affiliate and Influencer Program. There are two ways you can make money with Temu. You can choose to participate in the affiliate program or the influencer program. With the influencer program, you can get free products worth $300 from Temu. Plus, you can earn up to $100,000 in monthly commission whenever someone buys products using your code and link. But through the affiliate program, you can receive a lot of perks. Temu offers up to a 20% commission to its affiliates every time someone purchases a product using the link and code. Here, you can see that Temu has paid its affiliates approximately $5 million in commissions. In addition, when people use your code link to buy a product, your referrals will receive a $100 coupon bundle that offers up to 30% off. Not only this, you have the opportunity to earn $5 for every new person who downloads the Temu application using your link. To become a Temu affiliate, you need to sign up by registering yourself. Just scroll down and click on the Sign Up Affiliate Now button. It won't ask a lot from you. An email address or a phone number is only required to sign up. Click Continue and they'll send an account confirmation email to your email. Click the button and you will be logged into your account. It will give you a link that you will use later. Amazon Associates is also a good option if you want to earn money through affiliate program. Click on Sign In on the top of the page. Once signed in, go to Product Linking, then select Product Links. Select a product line, choose a subcategory, and name your link. Then click on Get HTML Link. Step 3. Next, I will guide you on how to write an article using ChatGPT. I have a simple method to help you create an article using ChatGPT. You can see it on the screen, and I have a link in the description where you can access it. As you can see, there are 6 steps in creating an article. The first step is to choose the article's topic. Select it and right-click to copy it. Go to Google, type ChatGPT, and click on the first search result. Then click on the prompt bar and paste the first step you copied earlier. In a few seconds, it will generate a table with various topics. Once you're done, you can simply return to the formula document and proceed to the next step of selecting the article's title. Copy it and go back to ChatGPT. Paste it on the prompt bar. You'll notice that Selected Topic is written when you paste it. Simply delete this text, then navigate to the table above and copy the topic titled 10 Quick Workouts for Busy Schedules. Then paste it where you deleted the text and press Enter. ChatGPT will give you a bunch of generated titles. Next, go to the formula document and select the third step. This step will generate an attention-grabbing hook and an intro for the article, which is very necessary. Copy it and head over to ChatGPT. Paste it, and it will create an engaging introduction for your article. Go back to the document and copy the fourth step and go back to ChatGPT. Paste it on the prompt bar. Delete the selected title and paste one of the title generated from ChatGPT and press Enter. ChatGPT will give you an outline for your article. After that, repeat the same process for the 5th and 6th steps. Then you will have a complete article generated by ChatGPT. Step 4. Now you have to copy the article. Scroll to the bottom and click on the left icon located here. By doing so, the entire article will be automatically copied. Go back to Google Docs, where you left the blank document, and paste the article. Then read the article and remove any irrelevant text you find. If there are any hashtags, also remove them. Select the title and increase the font size to make the title look clear. Make it bold by clicking the above bold icon. Once the title is done, make each heading in the article bold. This simple step will help highlight and enhance the overall appearance of your article. Next, you need to include a call to action slightly before the midpoint of the article. Type in capital. Click here to get the best nutrition hacks for post-workout meals. Head over to Temu and grab your affiliate link. Then head to Google Docs again and select the call to action text. Click on this insert link icon and paste the affiliate link in the box. Click apply and your affiliate link will be inserted in the call to action. So whenever someone clicks on it, they will direct them to your affiliate link. Make sure to highlight the call to action and include it multiple times within the article, just in case they overlook the link and fail to click on it. Then go to the top, click Untitled Document and type the article's title. After that, go to File, Downloads and click PDF Document. Your document is now downloaded as a PDF on your computer. Step 5. This step is crucial, as I'll explain how you can earn money from this article that includes your affiliate link. Go to SlideShare. It is a platform where people post their PDF documents and get thousands of views. As you can see, this website gets a lot of visitors every month, over 70 to 80 million, which means it has heavy traffic. To upload your article, you have to sign up first. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Enter your email address, choose a password, and click Sign In. Your account is now created. Next, go to Uploads, click Select Documents to Upload, and upload the PDF. It will ask a few things. In the title section, you can simply copy and paste the article's title. For the description section, copy the first paragraph from the article and paste it here. Next, you need to select the category for your article. In my case, I'm going for health and medicine. Don't forget to include some relevant tags related to the topic. For example, I'm typing in tags like fitness, nutrition, nutrition hacks, workout, and post-workout meals. In the privacy section, choose public so your PDF can be visible to everyone. Click Publish and your PDF will be uploaded on the platform. Now, whenever someone reads the PDF, they can simply click on the call to action, directing them to Temu. Once they download the app and register, you will get paid $5. This is how you can make money online with referrals. I really hope you enjoyed our journey today into making money from the comfort of your home. Now don't miss out. There's a video right here on your screen, specially picked for you. It's packed with fresh, effective ideas for multiplying your online income. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Click and see for yourself.